always here, so it should be as clean as this one, as clean as this one. This is for hot water. It has not been in use for a while, so let's remove the other sieve. See, this one is clean, so there's a big difference. So when it's dirty and clogged with the debris, this is how it looks like. But when it's cleaned, it should be like this. So water will come in the machine with enough pressure. So if you don't do that, it will start giving you 4 LG. Like this one is an LG. It will give you a 1E error. Other machines have different errors. So always clean the water filters.